Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an infinity symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below and we just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an infinity symbol in your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open this document here and just going to zoom inside this. So just tap on any section here, double tap here, and if you are just going to insert option, there is no insert symbol option present here. So instead of that, you can use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard or Gboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. Now click on this number section here and you can find a extra symbol section here. So just click this, and here you will see a lot of symbol. You just need to press on the equal symbol. So just long press it, you will have this pop up. You can just insert infinity symbol like this easily. So this is how you just insert the infinity symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable Excel content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.